Hi everyone, welcome to Inspirations Dialogues. I'm Xiao Jian.
Well, I'm Aaron's. Today we are going to talk about Aerodyne's group, a startup in the engineering field in Malaysia.
Yes, Aerodyne is a company that's redefined the rules with agility and technology. In just a few years, they have grown from a local team to a global leader in drone solutions. Today, we will dive into their business model, agile practice, data-driven decisions making, and how they respond to market change.
Absolutely. By the end of this, you will not only be impressed by how powerful technology and agility can be, but you might also find some new inspiration for your own career or startup journey.
First, let's get to know more about Aerodyne. The company was founded in 2014 in Selangor, Malaysia by Kamaru A. Mohamad Mead. They started small with just a few people, aiming to use drone technology to disrupt traditional industry like constructions, agriculture, and energy.
Exactly. They started out small with limited research, but in just a few years, they have expanded to 35 countries and were ranked as the top drone service company globally by Drone Industry Insight in 2021. It is a classic from zero to one story.
Wow, that is very inspiring. Two main elements to talk about their successful growth is their agility and innovative spirit.
Yes, these two elements will be discussed after it. But right now, let's talk about how Aerodyne was able to go from Malaysia to become a global leader in drones.
Well, first of all, they have a clear mission from the start, which is using drone technology to solve real-world problems. Plus, their team is very adaptable and quick to adjust their strategies.
Yeah, you are right. Their business model incorporates high agility. For example, they quickly respond to customer need, continuously improving their service and technology. This set them apart as a model from combining technology with agility.
And they really focus on using technology to solve real issues like drone monitoring in agriculture, construction site management, and so on. So in short, their innovation can actually be implemented rather than just being for the sake of innovations.
Xiao, data is also a key factor in Aerodyne's success. Do you know how they use data to make decisions?
Of course, they collect data from customer feedback, drone performance, project outcomes, and more. Tools like tablet and AI analytics help them turn this data into actionable insights and guide their decisions making.
Yup, they also use data in their agile process. For example, during spring retrospective, they analyze feedback to refine products like improving drone battery life based on client needs. They are not just selling drones, they have built a complete service system that integrate AI and big data analysis, such as in constructions, they use drones to monitor project progress and AI to significantly reduce human errors and improve efficiency.
Okay, imagine this. Aerodyne drones gather over 50 GB of data every day during large-scale agriculture projects. This includes everything from crop health and soil moisture to pest activities. Their process is all using tools like tablet and AI analytics, cutting analysis time by 50%. Isn't that incredible?
Wow, that's impressive! And the results are even more exciting. For example, their drone can pinpoint areas needing irrigation or fertilizer. This helping the farmer save costs and increase productivities. This kind of innovation does not just make process smarter, but it is the perfect example of agile thinking, adapting fast and uncovering new opportunities.
Right! And they are also show a key point. They build technology as a tool, not an end in itself. Aerodyne always focus on addressing customer need through technology, which is one of their main success factors.
So, how do they integrate agile principle into their business?
I think there are three key points: iterative development, cross department collaborations and customer-centric focus.
Wow, that sounds great. Let's start with iterative development. Aerodyne updates and improve their drone technology and AI analysis tool based on real customer feedback. For instance, if a customer wants a longer flight time from drones, they develop models with longer battery life. This is agility in actions.
Yeah, so next we're going to discuss about cross-department collaborations. Their teach team, marketing and industry advisor meet regularly, almost like daily stand-ups. These frequent communications allow them to solve issues quickly, coordinating technology development and market planning.
Lastly, they are customer focused. They pay attention to diverse customer needs. For example, if agriculture customers require real-time crop health monitoring, they develop features to detect crop disease. This customer-oriented approach ensures that their products always meet market demand.
It is safe to say their agile practice are not just about efficiency, but about creating truly valuable solutions. So another section is, I was wondering, how do they adapt to the market change?
Do you still remember during COVID-19 pandemic? At that time, a lot of industry came to a stop, and what I was so impressed with was the sudden increase in demand for public health service during the outbreak. However, Aerodyne immediately addressed its strategy and launched a large-scale disinfection service using drones. And it was just incredible how quickly it was able to do it.
Yeah, I remember that example too. Everyone was trying to figure out how to shave at that time, and they were almost the first to release their service of spraying disinfectants with drones. This not only captured the opportunity, but also enlarged company influence.
Another example is how they use data to enter new market. When they saw a growing demand for drones in agriculture, they prioritized developing solutions specifically for that market, which greatly accelerated their market expansions.
Wow, that sounds amazing. And this highlights a key point. Technology is not the end of the goal, but the means. Aerodynes always develop technologies around customer needs. This is the major reasons for their success. Of course, agility is not without its challenges. Aerodynes has faced several along the way.
Yes, like the rapid change in technology and market conditions. Let me give you some example. When they expanded to the India market, they faced huge regulatory challenges. India has very strict drone regulations such as flight attitude restrictions and licensing requirements. To overcome this obstacle, Aerodyne quickly formed a local team, worked with local government agency, and adjusted their technology status to meet the specific demands of the Indian market.
My other example is how they dealing with cultural difference. When they entered the Japanese market, they found that Japanese customers were very detail-oriented and expected high service standards. Traditional agile methods might have been misunderstood as sloppy or not rigorous enough. To address this, they use an iterative feedback approach, refining plans at each stage and communicating deeply with customers. This approach helped them establish a strong foothold in the competitive Japanese market.
So I'm thinking about another challenge is how they solve the problem of data overload. For example, when they provide service to agriculture customers, drones collected a lot of data on crop health, soil quality, and climate every day. Initially, it was overwhelming. Finally, they decide to use a data visualization tool that I mentioned it before, tablet, to make key metrics more clear and the use of AI technology to focus only on the data that customers care about most.
These examples are quite thought-provoking. They show that while Agile can address change, it needs to be combined with specific strategy like forming local teams or using smart tools to truly solve practical problems. Wow, today's topics about Aerodyne story is so knowledgeable. So what is the lessons can other startups take away from their experience?
First, maintain agility. Market change rapidly and startups must be able to quickly adjust their strategy to capitalize on opportunities, like Aerodyne's quick turnover during the pandemic.
Well, for my point is, Aerodyne's success also comes from their ability to combine agility with technology perfectly. They use iterative development, cross-department collaborations, and data-driven decision-making to not only adapt to market change, but also continually create value for customers.
Yes, I heard that are now exploring LOT and 5G technology to make drones even more real-time in their monitoring and control. Imagine drones collecting and transmitting data well LOT networks. How much it could be helped in disaster management and public safety?
Yeah, they're also now exploring for AI applications. In the future, AI could allow drones to fly autonomously and conduct even more precise data analysis. This will help to reducing human interventions and boosting efficiency and accurately. These new technologies could be the next growth driver for Aerodyne.
Most importantly, their success shows that no matter where you are from, as long as you focus on solving real problems and maintain an agile and open mindset, you can stand out in the global market.
You're right, even Aerodyne started as a small team in Malaysia, but they can become a global leader through agility and innovations. We hope that their story inspire more entrepreneurs, especially those in tech-driven startups. Embrace change boldly and seize the opportunity. Alright, that's today's topics. Aerodyne's story reminds us that with dreams, determinations, and a bit of agility and innovations, even a small company can become an industry giant.
We hope that you are enjoying today's topic and will inspire you. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends.
I am Xiao.
I am Aaron.
Thanks for listening to Inspiration Journey. See you next time.